Continue with the 1.5 application problems. We're going to look at number 33. We're going to do part A right now, and we'll do part B and C in a future video. Okay, so if you read through this, it says you have a 12 by 12 piece of cardboard. So let's start by drawing a picture of that. Okay, so it's a square, 12 by 12. Let me erase off that little part there. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and label this as 12 by 12, 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters. Okay, and it tells us that square corners are to be cut out so that we can fold up the box. Okay, so let's draw a picture of that. So here's the squares are taken out of each corner so that we can fold it up. Okay, and then what's going to happen is they're going to cut these pieces out, and then we'll have a box that looks something like this. Okay, and what we're asked to do is to find the volume of this particular box right here. That's what we're asked to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label the sides of our figure with a different color. Okay, so if this whole length is 12 and this is x and this is x, then this length from here to here is 12 minus 2x. Okay, so that would represent this part right here. Okay, if I can fit it in there. Okay. The same thing with this side right here, if the whole thing is 12 centimeters, then just this part would be 12 minus 2x. And that would be this length right here. Okay. Finally, the height of the box would actually be the length of x that we folded up. This would actually be x right there. So there's our three-dimensional box. Now we're asked to find the volume. So let's go ahead and write down the volume. The volume of a three-dimensional box would be the length times the height times the width. So it'd be, let me change colors here. So it'd be x times 12 minus 2x times this length, which is also 12 minus 2x. Another way we could write this is we could write these in different order. We could also write them like this if we choose to. Okay, we want to go ahead and multiply this out. So I'm going to first multiply these two binomials together, which you're familiar with. It's a perfect square trinomial. If I multiply that out, this is what I get. I get 144 minus 48x plus 4x squared. Okay, now what I'm going to do is apply the distributive property and multiply all of that by x. I'm going to multiply this by x, this times x, and then this times x. Okay, so the volume of this figure is 144x minus 48x squared plus 4x cubed. Since each unit is in centimeters and this is three-dimensional, so we will say centimeters cubed. Okay, so this concludes part A. We will continue with part B in the next video.